Welcome to our channel The Healing Spell. Today's video is on how to make mouth-watering rice frames at home. These are very tasty, they melt in mouth and a very good combination for evening tea or coffee, or they can also be eaten with rice and curry. Let's look into the ingredients. 1 cup of rice, a quarter cup of sabudana sago or tapioca pearls. This is optional. 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, a small piece of ginger, 1 or 2 green chilies, and salt to taste. The rice has to be soaked for 8 to 10 hours or overnight. It is ground into a smooth paste along with garlic, ginger, green chilies, and salt. The batter is poured into a thick bottomed vessel and make the batter thin by adding 4 cups of water. The ratio is 1:4. That means for every cup of rice we use, we require 4 cups of water. Cook the batter on medium flame, making sure that you continuously run a spoon or a ladle to prevent the batter from sticking onto the bottom of the vessel. Within around 5 to 8 minutes, the batter will start thickening. Continue stirring the mixture. You'll know the batter is ready when you take it on a spoon, when it drops in lumps and there's some amount of batter still sticking onto the spoon. Switch the flame off and allow the batter to cool. Once it has cooled, you can take it into a piping bag and squeeze it into desired shapes. They are pretty easy to make and very tasty. I have shaped them into triangles, into squares, rectangles, into wheels, star, whatever shape you prefer. I'm sure children would love these. Most of the brands of chips and fries we get in the stores contain taste makers and preservatives, which are bad for health in the long run. If we can make them at home, you know the ingredients pretty well and they are much safer. You can sun dry these for around 2 to 3 days and then store them in an airtight container for months together. Let me deep fry these. Look at how they puff up more than 3 to 4 times the initial size. Do try this recipe at home and let us know how well you like them in the comment section below. See you all soon with yet another video. Till then, take care and always stay blessed and happy. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Good day.